How to allow WordPress visitors to submit article posts. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to allow WordPress visitors to submit article posts. This feature makes it possible to submit article posts on your WordPress site. And the author will show as anonymous. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, install the WordPress front-end submission plugin. You can purchase it on Youzify.com. We put the product page URL in the description of this video. Once all required plugins are already activated, go to Youzify panel, Front-End Forms. Click the existing form there. But if no form created yet, please create a new one. Go to Shortcode Settings, and then Anonymous User tab. Enable Anonymous Submission button. You also can visitors posts visibility and select User for anonymous posts. You also can set up some settings on the form. This plugin offers a bunch of advanced options, such as restriction options, styling options, BuddyPress integration options, etc. Once it is finished, publish the form and copy the shortcode. Put the shortcode to any place you want. On widgets, pages, posts, etc. In this video, I will put it on a single page. Let's see the result. Now visitors can submit a post. No need to register or log in. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.